This is the brand new Almond Oak 25 plus 5 liter ultralight expandable travel backpack. It just went live on Kickstarter this week for under $100. And for the price, I think it's a great option for anything from everyday carry to one bag travel. In today's video, we'll pack this bag up 3 ways: for a 2-week trip, a weekend trip, and for everyday carry to see exactly what fits inside. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you my recommendation as to what I think this bag is best for. If you're looking for more of the specs and overview of this bag, be sure to check out part 1 of this video, which was posted earlier this week. I'll leave a link in the description to that, as well as an affiliate link to the Almond Oak Kickstarter page so you can support this new bag and small business. Let's start by packing this thing up as an everyday carry bag. And remember, everyone packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as you watch this pack with me. And I'm going to pack this for a typical day at the office with a stop at the gym on the way home. I'll start with my Brooks running shoes. At the gym, I usually run for 20 minutes and then spend some time lifting. These Brooks shoes are super solid, and although they aren't completely flat on the bottom, they do work well for me at the gym. And I'll keep them in this little bag so they won't get everything else dirty. Next, I'll bring a t-shirt and shorts for the gym, along with a hat. I'll also bring my lunch in this bento box from Rusby. And that's pretty much going to fill up this main compartment without stuffing it too full. I usually like to keep my everyday carry bags pretty light, bringing just what I need for the day, so it isn't too heavy to lug around. Next, we'll move to the back pocket where I'll put my iPad and Apple Pen. And I'll throw my charger back here as well. Moving to the front pocket, I'll put my Hobonichi Techo planner along with a pen. And I'll also put my AirPods in here too for quick access. Lastly, I'm going to put my little Nintendo Game & Watch in the hidden passport pocket, as it fits perfectly in here. And we'll finish things off with my water bottle from Swell, which will hold my coffee in the morning and then be replaced by water throughout the rest of the day. Now, let's check out what a long weekend trip would look like with this backpack. We'll start by bringing a sweatshirt. Here I have my Talking Heads one. Next, I'm going to add in 2 black t-shirts, 1 long sleeve from H&M, and 1 short sleeve from Comfort Colors. I'm also going to bring a pair of shorts from Adidas to sleep in, along with 1 pair of pants from Western Rise that I'll be able to wear for about half of the trip. Next, I'll bring along 3 pairs of boxer briefs and 3 pairs of socks. And the last thing I'll put in this main pocket is my toiletries bag. This is a brand new one from the brand Minimal. And if you want to see more from the Minimal brand, be sure to subscribe, because next week we're going to be checking out their travel bag along with some of their accessories. Now, moving to the back of the bag, we'll put my iPad and Apple Pen along with my charger. And lastly, moving to the front, we're going to put my Ambernick handheld video game console along with my Sony headphones. Now, let's check out what a 2-week trip would look like with this bag. And the first thing we are going to do is unzip the outside zipper to expand the bag to 30 liters. I thought it would be a good idea to use packing cubes because with the backpack being so lightweight, the packing cubes actually help to kind of give the bag a little more structure, especially for a longer trip like this. The packing cubes I have here are from Minimal, and I'm going to use one large one and one medium one. The large packing cube will hold enough clothes for 1 week. On trips of this length, I typically do sink laundry about halfway through the trip. The large packing cube will hold 5 t-shirts, 2 sweatshirts, 1 pair of extra pants, and 1 pair of gym shorts. The medium packing cube will hold 6 pairs of socks and 6 pairs of underwear. I'll also add my toiletries bag into this main compartment. And then on the right side of the bag, I'm going to add in some extra shoes. And I'll be bringing my Birkenstocks along. And if I pack them pointing down, they're going to line up perfectly where my toiletry bag is placed. Moving to the back of the bag, I'll put in my MacBook Pro laptop, along with its charger and my phone charger. Now, moving to the front of the bag, I'm going to put my laundry strips from Kind Laundry and my Ambernick handheld video game console. And since I packed those Birkenstocks, that's going to be about all we can fit in here because the front pocket and inside pocket share the same space. So I'll just loop my headphones around the top handle. Lastly, I'll add my passport in the dedicated hidden passport pocket. So where does this bag shine and where does it fall short? For me, this is going to be a great bag for those shorter one-bag travel trips. I'd say anywhere between 3 and 5 days, this thing is going to do really well. It's small enough to fit under most airline seats, so it can be used as a personal item, which means you can travel on those low-budget airlines without having to pay for a carry-on. The bag also does a good job for everyday carry because it's light and it has a nice back tech pocket to keep those items safe and secure back there. The one spot where the bag does fall a little short for me was 2-week travel. If you're planning on using this for 2-week travel, you're really going to want to pack light and use travel-specific products like your merino wools and such so that you don't have to pack too much. With this being such a lightweight bag, you don't want to overload it because that's how things start to rip and the integrity of the bag becomes compromised. But overall, I think this is a nice bag for the price point. For under $100, you can really get some good use out of this backpack, especially for personal item only one bag travel. And it also just feels great to support a small business making their first ever product. So what do you think of the Almond Oak travel backpack? I want to know what you think of this bag and how you would use it. Be sure to let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And here's what I've been listening to.